On this episode, we start the second leg of our European cruise as we visit the Canary Islands. We make stops in Tenerife, Gran Canaria, and Lanzarote. We explore seaside towns, beaches, mountains, deserts, and much, much more, and we see what makes these similar islands so different. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan, and we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Well, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are in the Canary Islands. Where are we, hon?
In Tenerife.
Tenerife, the Canary Islands. There's some kind of Spanish way to say it, but we are a little bit Spanish deficient.
Yes.
But we got off the ship this morning, had a little bit of a hiccup at the rental car place, as only the half-ass travelers can do. I booked the car for November, and it is currently October. I don't know, probably because I booked so many cars, but I'm not making any excuses. I'm just a half-ass person, as you may have seen if you looked at the Big Island video. So
Right.
I did it again, oopsie. But it all worked out. They had a car for us. They just adapted our reservation to this one, modified it, and we're getting ready to go. So I think our plans today, we're gonna go to some beaches, maybe up to the top of the mountain, and we'll take you with us. Rose is excited. You can see how excited she is. There we go. All right.
Yo.
Hey guys, unscheduled stop. What a beautiful beach. Do you see all these windsurfers and kite surfers and boogie boarders and surfers? And
If you can't see now, you'll definitely see it close up.
yeah, we'll put some close-up videos. This is an amazing beach. I stopped counting at 50 of these kite surfers, and that's not even counting the ones that were on the beach getting ready. They are just, they're everywhere.
Everywhere.
This is a great beach.
Really cool.
It looks like a lot of fun.
I agree.
All right, let's keep moving.
All right.
Well guys, our unscheduled stop turned into a little longer stop than expected. We decided to sit here and have some snacks and some sangria, and the sun is getting ready to set, so I don't think we're going to be doing much more. Once we get done eating, we're going to head back to the ship, and I think that's going to be it for today. And that's going to be it for our adventures in Tenerife. So stay tuned for further adventures in the Canary Islands.
Sweet dreams.
Cheers. That's a shot. Why are you sipping it like that? Just shoot it.
Okay, fine. Well, hello there, half-asters.
Hi, half-asters. Good morning. We are in the car.
Yep, we're in the Gran Canaria Island.
Yes, Las Palmas de Gran Canarias. That's where the ship docked. And we went to the local Hertz place, which we reserved yesterday. We could not believe it worked with our luck with rental cars, but we walked there and we thought that they had, were gonna make us go to the airport, which is a very long cab ride. And no, they had a reservation. Something bad has got to happen today because everything worked out well this morning.
Don't even say that.
Rose hates when I do that. But right now we're just taking a drive. As you can probably see, I don't know what you can see. You can't. We are on one of the windiest roads. Yesterday were pretty steep. This one is pretty windy. This island is similar to Tenerife, but it's also completely different. It's just got a different feel. And it's hard to put our finger on what it is. But right now we're heading to the top of the mountain, or near the top, so we'll probably talk again when we get up there, right, hon?
Yep.
Well, guys, what a difference what an hour makes.
Yeah.
Because now that we got to the top of the mountain, we got above all those clouds, and we braved those windy roads. But man, as you can see, there is some beautiful stuff to see up here. And this panorama below us, we're on our way up to the Tejeda. Is it Tejeda?
Yeah.
And that's supposed to be a very high, one of the highest points on the island. But man,
This is like the Grand Canyon.
If that drive coming up wasn't clouded over, it would have been an epic scenic drive. But as it is, right here, this is
just amazing.
Yeah, it's an amazing drive. Do not miss us if you come to Gran Canary Island. Grab a car, come up here and do this drive. It's worth it. All right, we're continuing our journey through Gran Canary Island. Rose has got the sunshade, her visor up, because we forgot our sunglasses today in true half-fast fashion. I knew we were going to forget something. There had to be. But if that's the worst thing can happen, we're doing pretty well. We're here in Playa de Mogan.
Yes.
On the south coast of the island. We drove completely, as you saw, through the mountainous areas to get here. So now we're done with the mountains. Now we're going to hit the beach.
Yay.
And possibly eat something.
Yes.
Maybe drink something.
Of course.
Very weak. Yes. All right, we're moving on. Hey there, half-asters. Well, we just finished a really yummy lunch. We had a nice pizza. It was really good. Had that Iberian ham.
Some sangria.
Yeah, a little bit of sangria. Not much. It's not very strong, so we'll be good. But now we're going to keep moving up the coast, up north. I think our next stop is Puerto Rico.
Yes.
Not that Puerto Rico. The Gran Canaria version of Puerto Rico.
Yes.
But let's get moving.
All right.
Good morning. Well, as you can see, after we left the beach, Puerto Rico yesterday and the other beaches, we decided to head back to the ship a little earlier than expected. We had a good day and we're getting a little tired because we had a long day the day before. So we cut that day short. But now we are in Lanzarote. We docked in Arrecife this morning and we are now taking a ship shore excursion over to La Graciosa Island, where they have supposedly a nice white sand beach.
A little bit of snorkeling.
Maybe kayaking, I don't know. I'm gonna have some nice paella.
Ooh, I can't wait, it's my favorite.
And so this should be a good thing. This island, so far on the way over here, we had to take a bus over to the ferry dock. This island is very much arid and desert-like, much more than the other two islands.
Yes.
There's not much here.
No.
A lot of the houses are white, contrast to the brown sand. It's kind of interesting. You know, we were told that the architect who came here is responsible for a lot of the houses being white. They had a very famous architect that lived here, artist architect. So that's our impression so far of this island. But we're gonna go see La Graciosa, and we will see you over there. Hey there, half-asters.
Hey.
Greetings from Francesa Beach. We're still on Graciosa Island. The excursion today was a really good break. Sometimes when you're on the ship for a long time and you have a lot of port days, it gets a little bit hectic, so it's nice to take a break.
Yeah.
Just wanted to say that the Canary Islands, they're very similar, a lot of them, but they're also very diverse. Does that make sense? Each island has its own personality, and this one is no different. This one is very much a rocky desert place. We didn't really experience any of the greenery that we had on the other islands, but we also didn't get to the south side. So we enjoyed our time here. We hope you enjoyed our videos of the Canary Islands.
And where are we going to next?
Yeah, our next stop is going to be on the continent of Africa. We're heading to Morocco for a couple of stops. So we'll definitely be taking you with us.
See you then.